Hi, this is Pat Diamond with Remax Realty Pros in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Welcome to my real estate video blog. Now, you say, what's a video blog? Well, a video blog is a blog or a writing that you're going to do and talk about something, in this case, done on video. So we welcome you to it. We're going to be talking about real estate in Lake Charles and the Southwest Louisiana area. So that's going to cover the whole area around Sulphur, Westlake, Moss Bluff, South Lake Charles, Iowa, Vinton, everything in between. So as we go through this during the year, we'll try to come to you about once a week, give you a little bit of what's going on in the marketplace, what's happening in our communities, and when it's all said and done, hopefully it'll give you something to talk about what's going on in Lake Charles. Well, the big thing right now, the big story in real estate in the Southwest Louisiana area is all of the industrial construction that's going on. Right now, there are almost $100 billion, and that's billion with a B, dollars of projects that have been announced to be constructed in Southwest Louisiana. At the present time, there are almost $40 billion worth of construction that's already under construction. This is going to be about 4,000 permanent jobs when it's done, anywhere from 15 to 25,000 construction jobs as we go through it. So things are starting to really get busy in the Southwest Louisiana area. One of the big things that we've been seeing go on is the Sasol project. They've got about an $8.5 billion ethane cracker that they currently have under construction. And it'll be another about year, maybe year and a half before it's finally completed. But when it's completed, it'll be one of the largest construction projects in Southwest Louisiana ever. So these are the type of things that are going on. A lot of things with the LNG scenario. Cheniere LNG is doing an export facility down in Cameron Parish. They've got right now 4,500 construction workers working down there, and they're expecting to hopefully in 2017 to ship their first load of liquefied natural gas out of the United States. So a lot of things going on in Southwest Louisiana. All of this is affecting our real estate markets, and next time we'll talk a little bit more about what's going on with residential sales. Thank you. See you next time.